I can just do this right now.
And then immediately, we decided we need to get out of there because we saw debris falling from the building, and it brushed pretty quickly. And to be honest with you, those people were professional. They got us out calmly. They evacuated everybody swiftly. All the staff knew exactly what to do. We were really impressed with how easy we got out of there. Now the fire trucks started coming in. The first we immediately went from kind of a sparkling glitter for the holidays to a very plain kind of light. It looks like they might not be going to show. And they evacuated everybody in the hotel into the mall. And then we evacuated out of the mall into the street. We're heading to our car now.
Okay, so was this was happening during the fireworks display that took place very close by?
No. It was 9:35. It took place at 9:35. So we were having dinner. People were just having dinner. The fountain was doing its normal show every 15 minutes. The fireworks display didn't start until midnight, which is another hour and 35 minutes from now.
Okay, so it was sort of the display there at the hotel, the fountain display. Give us a sense of where this is. This is and also before I actually ask that question, you said the people, the staff, they were able to evacuate you very quickly. Could you tell?
Yeah, they knew exactly what to do. Like we knew, they took us through back stairways. They guided us down, and everyone pretty much remained calm. At first, we thought it was a small flare and they can contain it, but then it quickly escalated, and then we're like, we got to get out of here.